Hi everyone, this is Jacob from 78 of Sweden. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the Pushbiter camera head. First of all, we have a very small design. This camera head is 1.2 inches. If you compare it here to a 2-inch pipe, we quickly realize that this is a very small design. The camera head has 4 different optic sensors. We have one in the front, we have one facing left and one facing right, and we also have one facing up. We have 4 LEDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all controllable individually, as well as are the different camera sensors. We have rotation, so the camera head will actually rotate in the desired direction. Also, it will self-level like this. We have lots of light in this design, as well as control over the individual lights. So I can turn one LED on or off like this, which is very good if you want to avoid glare in, for instance, steel pipes that are in industrial applications. I will continue by showing you a little bit of what this camera head design can actually achieve in a very small pipe, 2 inches. So first, here is a small walkthrough of our test pipe. We are using the 2-inch diameter, 50 millimeter, and we will enter here. We will then go through a small 25-degree bend. We will then go through another 25-degree bend to the left, where we also have a junction where there is a pipe coming from the right here at a 45-degree angle. We will then also stop and inspect this 90-degree T angle. Okay, so let's start. The camera is in automatic mode and the lights are at the maximum setting. You're now looking through the center camera, as you can see on the top right here above me. So we come to the first 25-degree right bend. Nothing much to discuss, but with a normal straight-looking camera you would actually not be able to see through this without pushing through it. However, we can switch to the right-facing camera about now. Here you get that picture and you can see around the corner. And this we do without actually pushing the camera head through. So if there is a block or something, you don't have to risk your equipment. You can actually see what you're doing or what you're about to do before you're actually doing it. So switching back to the center camera now, we're looking straight into the pipe wall. Let's push through this and we come into the straight. And if you remember, here is the other pipe coming from the right, we will see if we can see something there. Let's take the right facing camera. Here we can see how we're passing. And we can actually see a little bit in there, but not really satisfactory. So let's do a little trick. Let's look straight up. We see nothing, but then we rotate the camera head. Observe the angle here, the rotational angle. And here we can actually now basically look backwards into a pipe coming to the pipe we're in. And this is pretty unique. And remember, we're only in a 2-inch pipe here. Okay, so let's level out again. So we get control of the situation. Here we are looking forward. Now we can take the left camera instead and just see around this corner to the left. Looks great. Let's continue. Okay, so we go back into the straight center camera. And now we're approaching our 90 degree T bend here, forward to the left. Now the ones of you that are working in industrial applications might want to inspect joints, for instance welded joints. So I want to demonstrate how to do that. You can see that we're coming up on a joint here. So let's see what we see if we use the upward facing camera like this. Okay, we see the pipe wall, and if we slowly go forward, we come up to a joint here. And we can go even further and see the joint here. So where are we now? Let's look in the center camera again. Let's back up. Okay, so we passed 2 plastic joints. Let's see how we can inspect those. Here we see the joint again, and now we can rotate the camera head, and so we can actually inspect this joint pretty accurately, like this. Another interesting thing is, of course, maybe you want to see what's to the left here. Let's look in the left-facing camera, go forward, and you get a clear picture of what's in this 90-degree T-junction right here. So this is just a little bit of the things you can do with this new modern camera system based on patented technology. For more information, visit our website or call one of our sales guys. Thank you.